Hello there. So is your computer getting slower day by day and you are upset with it? To make your computer fast, watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get this video started. Number 1. By deleting temporary file. First, open run command. To open run command, press button Windows key plus R. Then a run command will be open. Then type temp. Lots of file will be open. It is a temporary file made by a computer when it is run. It is really unnecessary file and it need to be deleted. So all file will be deleted. Number 2. Again, open run command. Type %temp% and then select all by pressing key Ctrl plus A and delete by Ctrl plus D. Then all these files will be deleted. Number 3. Disk cleanup. Search disk cleanup in search bar. Then select unwanted file. Here you can see lots of unwanted file and delete it. For deleting unwanted application, there is lots of unnecessary application that is downloaded. You can, and it consumes lots of RAM when it is not even used. First, open control panel or just search control panel in search bar. Then go in uninstall program. To uninstall it, just click right key on the program, then there will be uninstall option. So select uninstall and you can delete the application. 5. Disable background software. There's lots of background software that is run in computer that consumes more RAM and it starts when you put a computer. So to end this software from running in background, just go to Task Manager or just search Task Manager, then go to Startup. Disable it, this program which you don't want to start up. It will not automatically start when you open the computers. Number 6. By deleting recent file. So open run command again. Type Windows plus R to open run command. Then type recent. Then there will be lots of recent file. Press key Ctrl plus A to select all and press Ctrl plus D to delete all the recent file. Number 7. By deleting prefetch. Open run command prefetch. Then there will be lots of file that is unnecessary. Just select all this file by Ctrl plus A and delete it by Ctrl plus D. Then all the prefetch file will be deleted. It is not necessary for the computer. The most necessary thing is number 7. Changing booting speed. Type Windows plus R key to open run command, then type msconfig and run. Then go to boot. Put it in 3 seconds and apply. Go to advanced option. Select maximum number of processor. You can select 3, 4, 5, 6 as per your processor. Then select maximum number of your memory and restart a computer. So in this way you can start the computer speed. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel and thumbs up for the So thanks for watching. See you next week.